Watch out, James. Watch out. Tell him he's a good boy. Yeah, there you go. He just dropped it for you. Usually, I find when you say good boy, Rambo, he usually drops it. Whoop. Oh. Well, maybe he's getting tired. Let James try. Okay, throw it. You gotta throw it. Throw it, James. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. He's waiting.